serving rare rib on the bone tonight. Taking requests, so get in line. I'm offering my body, spirit, soul, and mind. So help me find my way and tell me what to say. Show me how to pray and tell me what I gotta do to make you go away. There's a monster beneath my bed. Been sleeping there for years. Well, I've been working hard to keep him fed on all my fears. But tonight I'm crowding in my sleep, and I can feel the bed shaking. There's a killer stuck way down in the deep, and things are gonna change when that beast awakens. Jesus said there's nothing that nobody shouldn't give, but selfless isn't helpful if it costs a life to live. If everyone keeps drinking from the same well, it goes dry. If everyone keeps drinking from my favorite kind of die, so grow your horns and kill them all. You ain't their dog, don't help them let they're crazy. Grow your heart right through the wall and watch it fall on its architect, baby. Thank you all.